Hi everyone, this is the first video on looping within the Baylor Tutoring Department's CS video set. So, what is a loop? Looping is the continual execution of a sequence of instructions or lines of code until some condition is met. All types of loops have a condition that they evaluate either before or after running the code in the loop. This is very similar to the if statement construct that we just previously learned. There are two types of loops, those being pre-test and post-test loops. The distinction between the two is simply that a pre-test loop checks the loop condition before executing the code inside the loop scope, whereas a post-test loop checks the condition after executing the code in the scope of the loop. A simple example of a pre-test loop is a while loop, shown in the pseudocode here. The while loop will check the condition in the while, then if it is true, executes the code in the loop body. After executing all of the code, it goes back up and checks the condition again, then executes again if true, and so on. The do while loop will run the code in the body of the loop, then check the condition, and if true, runs the code, and so on. So the major difference there is that the do while loop will run one time first before ever checking that condition. Once it's run once, it checks the condition, and if true, we'll go back and run the loop again, and so on. So why do we use loops? Many programs, in fact, potentially most programs used in business or research, need to handle bulk sets of data. Loops allow us to iterate through large data sets and perform some sort of processing for each item in a set of data. And although this is just one way we use loops, in general, any sort of repetition needed in a program is solved by utilizing a loop structure. In the next video, we'll introduce some examples of each type of loop in C++. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true no matter which computer science course you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services. Our tutoring center is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You'll find all the details you need about these services on our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You may schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online or just drop in during any of our business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thanks.